Good afternoon, everyone. We shall start a class now. So, design a single angle section of a tension member of a roof truss to carry a factor of 225 kilonewton. The member is subjected to a possible reversal stresses due to action of wind. The length of the member is 3 meter. Use M20 bolt of property class 4.6 in a single lane. So this is everything. The question was given last class. We had missed it due to some. So now we'll start from the class. How to we need to design this section, because here we need to design. The load is given, the factored load is given. We need to select the member by considering the load and determining its determining on its property class and bolting connections. So from class 6.3, the tension member with net cross sectional area is the formula is with respect to the code book. So when you substitute this net cross sectional area, you will get this answer. So here at net sectional area is already given tension, that is 225 kilonewtons with respect to 1.25 and 0.9 into 410. Then class 6.2 states that EG TDG gamma m naught by Fy, that is gross sectional area, is nothing but 225 and 10 to the power of 3 into 1.1 divided by 250. So from this you will get gross area. Then always, as I have discussed in last problem, always select the higher areas. 762 and 990, compare it. Select always higher areas. When you select the higher areas, when you go to the steel table with respect to the unequal angles, you will find this angle as 100 into 75 into 8. So that angle with respect to cross sectional area you will get as 1336 mm square. See, this you need to go in this code book page. Just I will show you here this rolled steel unequal angles. When you go to this rolled steel unequal angles with dimension properties, you will find this. You will find the area and cross sectional area in this. So coming to the next topic, coming to the next problem, not next problem, sorry, coming to the next part of the problem. See here, black bolt is given M16 and 4.6 class is given. So your E minimum will be 1.5 times of D naught and pitch will be 2.5 times of D. So this 1.5 times of D is nothing but clearance distance 16 plus 2, 18 mm. So 27 mm is equal to 30 mm. Then 2.5 times of D is 2.5 into 16, that is 40 mm. So maximum pitch you will get as 50 mm here. So then with respect to the page number 5, go to the design shear bolt. There you will find this value VNSB by gamma MB. So VNSB will be FUB by root 3 NNANB plus NSASB. So when you go through this formula, FUB is nothing but 4 into 100, that is 400 by root 3 into 1 into 0.78, 5 by 4 into 16 square. So from 5 problems you are solving this. I hope that you are now you can now justify this, how these values are coming here. So because we are assuming that the bolt is failing at the threaded section only. Then if you determine bearing capacity of bolt with respect to page number 75, then VDPB is equal to VNMPB by gamma MB 2.5 times of KB dt by FU. So there you can find this bearing, there you can find that KB with respect to E by 3 D naught, P by 3 D naught minus 0.25, FUB by FU. So after selecting this, you need to select here minimum values. When you select the minimum values, you will get the answer as 43.3 kilonewtons or 43 kilonewtons. Select the bolting value with respect to 29 kilonewton and 43 kilonewton. Here you will get as 29 kilonewtons. So number of bolts will be 150 by 29. That is nothing but 6 number of bolts. Then if you go to step 3, page number 32 6.2, there you can find as gross sectional area with respect to the design connection. Here AG FU by gamma m naught. What is AG? See, this is nothing but our new area. Whatever the area we got with AG, just you need to substitute here. See this one, AG 716 mm square. This is our new area, not our old area. This is the area which we have got from the code book steel table. This is the area which we have got from the steel table, that is 716 mm square. So now 716 250 by 1.1, so you'll get the value as 162.71, which is more than 150 kilonewtons. Then for single angle section, go to net cross section area of design 0.9 ANC FU by gamma m1 plus beta times of AG naught FU by gamma m naught. So if you substitute beta, 1.4 minus 0.076 W by T Fi by FU, BS by LC less than FU by gamma m0 by Fi by gamma m1 more than 0.7. So this is for outstanding angle and single angle sections. As the problem is for single angle, when the problem is for double angles, there is also a different type. So just you see that this is for single angle section, that is BS is equal to W plus WT minus T. What is W here? If you go to figure number 6, page number 33, you will find it. So this is nothing but our end distance, 1.5 times of D naught, whatever we got, that is end distance, that is 33 mm. So we have taken it as 35 mm. So 75 minus 35 will be nothing but 40 mm. So this is nothing but our outstanding leg 50 mm. This is the thickness 6 mm. So BS is equal to 50 plus 40 minus 6, that is 84 mm. So now LC will be LC. What is our LC means? Total number of bolts, how much we have? 6 number of bolts. So what we are taking, we are just assuming our critical section at this point and this point. So whatever is left over, that is point half and half, that will become 6 minus 0.5 minus 0.5, that is 5. Then LC will be 5 into pitch distance. Pitch distance is 50, 50, 50. So 5 into 50, that is 250 mm. So 1.4 minus 0.076, 50 by 6, 250 by 410, then 84 by 250 is equal to 1.27. So now ANC, you know that ANC already we have done with respect to the net sectional area, 75 minus this bolted connection, 16 plus 2, 18. 18 minus 6 by 2 is thickness into thickness, that is 324 mm square. Then AG naught will be 50 minus 6 by 2, this is 6 by 2 into 6, that is 282 mm square. So TDN will be, after substituting this, the value you will get this point. So here you will get 177 kilonewton, which is more than 150 kilonewton, that is safe. So coming to the next step, block shear strength. When you go to block shear strength, there the block shear strength is TDB AVG Fi by root 3 gamma m0 plus 0.9 ATN Fu by gamma m1. Then with respect to block shear 2 also, you have this formula. So here AVG is nothing but 50 into 5 plus 30. How 50 into 5? 50 into 5 is nothing but your pitch distance 50. Then 5 number of bolts. What with this critical section and this critical section, 6 minus 0.5 minus 0.5, that is 5. So 50 into 5 plus 30, 1680 mm square. Then this AVN is nothing but 280 minus 5.5 into 18. What is our 280? What is our 250 plus 50 plus 50 plus 50, and then end distance is 30. So total is our 250 plus 30, that is nothing but 280 mm. So that is nothing but our AVN, that is average stresses with respect to next net cross sectional area minus 5.5. What we have done, we have considered with respect to this axis only. This axis we have left over after considering the edge distance. So that is why 5 bolts plus half, that is 5.5. So the value will come here, 5.5 into 18, 1086 mm square. So ATG will be 35 into 6, 210 mm square. ATN will be 35 minus 18 by 2 into 6, 156 mm square. So after substituting all this 35, so we have taken this end distance. This end distance, upper part of the bolt, that is 35 mm. That is 35. So after considering all these values, we get the block shear strength with respect to 1 and with respect to 2. So this value will come as safe. So this completes the problem. Next problem we'll see in the next class. Thank you.